Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a strip on Wix. Strips are those horizontal sections that span across your website, and sometimes you might want to remove one to simplify your layout or redesign a particular page. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see various options for managing your site. Click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to different aspects of your online presence. From this drop-down, click on Website. This takes you into the specific settings and management area for your website. From here, you can see the website settings displayed on your screen. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to delete a strip on. If you manage multiple sites, it's important to confirm you're working on the correct one before making any changes. This simple check can save you from accidentally modifying the wrong site. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. This button is typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on Design Site to proceed to the editing interface. This is where you'll have full control over your website's visual elements and layout. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is the main workspace where you can modify, add, or remove elements from your site. From here, locate the strip you wish to delete by scrolling through your page. Strips usually span the full width of your website and contain various content sections. To confirm that what you're looking at is indeed a strip, click on it. You'll see the element type displayed above it, confirming whether it's a strip or another type of element. Once you've confirmed it's the strip you want to remove, simply right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose Delete. The strip will be removed from your page immediately, and your website layout will adjust accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a strip from your Wix website, giving you a cleaner or more streamlined design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.